Ready to ditch the desktop and track your time from, well, anywhere? Then let's dive into how to use the Clockify mobile app. First, download Clockify from your app store and log in with your existing account, or create a new one. Tracking your time is super simple. See that big green button? That's your timer. Just tap it to start tracking the time for your current task. You can add a project, description, and tags to specify what you're working on. This helps keep your time entries organized. Need a break? Hit the pause button to stop the timer. Tap it again to resume. What if you forgot to start the timer? No problem. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to manually add a time entry. Here, you can select the project, add a description, and set the start and end times. Easy peasy. Want to see how you're spending your time? Tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines or dots, and select reports. You'll find a summary of your track time, broken down by project, tag, and day. This gives you valuable insights into your productivity. And that's it. You're now a Clockify mobile app master. Track your time on the go and stay productive wherever you are. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials.